right? So this is what we're looking for, right? Since we are still long, then we want a break of that 15, because a clean break of that 15, 16 is a 2-point range. Well, that's going to take us all the way to 23. All right, so that's what we bulls want. It's a clean break of this high right here, 15, so that we can ride it more, 8 more points to 23. So like always, we want to know, hey, what if the bears take control back, right? Where is it gonna go? Well, I have my eye on 93, which is our forecast. Okay, so that's what we're expecting. Let's see, time right now 9:26, 4 minutes to open. We know the importance of 10, right? We believe that the bulls are in control. The open is coming. We all know exactly how the open behaves. All right, our aim, it's right here, 23. That's our plan, okay? What if then this thing breaks this little low right here, our 10, right? This is where we went long, right? Expecting 15, price go to 14.25, and then of course it pulls back. Trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Now the important thing is that nobody knows what the real support is, and we do. It's 10. All right, okay. Now of course you have to be faster than the high frequency computers from NASA, right? So we're better off staying with the main play and ride this baby all the way to 23. Okay, not shenanigans. Okay, let's ride it all the way from 10 to 23. That's 13 points, and I don't blame it, right? All of those bulls like us that took the breakout 10. What do you think? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18. Everybody's locking 5, 6, 7, 8 points right here, right? They just don't know that there is enough strength for the price to continue to 23. That's why they're locking right here. I mean, if you're locking right here 18 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6, I'm not going to get mad at you, of course, right? But remember, we are superior traders. Alrighty? Remember that one of the things that most traders cannot do is let it ride. They all talk about let it ride, but they don't tell you how to do it. And much less, they will never show you they doing it, right? You're never going to see that from all those big shot traders want to be on YouTube. That's not going to happen. All you're going to see is after the fact. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the astute trader, we all know 10, right? Price comes right to our support. What do? Add to a winner, establish a new position. Let's go to 23. You need to understand this. We're not in an uptrend, and the low is not the low of day. We're just taking advantage of a short-term momentum that we saw before the open. That price was going to take 10, and that's why we went long. And we want to continue being long, expecting the price to go to 23 and a recoil 23. All righty? Okay, so don't you think for 1 second that this bull play it's because we are now in an uptrend and the price decided not to go down anymore. That's not at all the case. We're only scalping. So remember when I told you, technically it's okay to short 16, right? Price goes all the way to 18, a couple of points, right? But you know that you will be in a counter trend from us, right? Remember that for us, those of us who want to go to 23, then that's the main play for us, right? However, I told you, it's okay to short 16, 17. Technically, it's okay. And look at what just happened. 16 to 10 to 06, that's 10 points. All right? But this would be a counter trend of our main play, which is the only one that matters. Not the ones that all the fake gurus call their, after the fact. They have no idea what a trend really is. This low is extremely important because this low is the confirmation that is going to tell us if there is a change in direction, right? Being 93, right? Okay, so the short 16, the one that I told you it's okay to take short 16, you took only a couple of points of hit. When the price goes to 18, of course, you know that I'm expecting 23. But 23 is later on. It's not going to go to our target on a straight line. We all know that. So what is it that we're doing right now? Okay, terrific. So we know that this 16 is an okay entry short as a counter trend. And then what is it? We always need to know what the other side is doing. Although we are in both sides. However, what's the other side in terms of the counter? What are the counters doing? Well, they want to go ahead, test 03, break it. And a clean break is going to take it all the way to 93. It's going to take it 10 more points, right? But we don't want that because we want to continue buying support and expecting the price to eventually go to our 23. This has nothing to do with the jobless claim or the manufacturing index. That happened already. The market was already down 30 points by the time that those releases came out. So time right now, ladies and gentlemen, 9:48, 12 minutes to the existing home sales release. All right? So watch out. Okay, so bears under control, took control back as long as the price is below our 10.09. So we gave it a shot right here at the low 03. Price goes to 575, right? And we know that we're not going to let it go against us, right? Okay. All righty then. Okay, so what is the bears want to go? 93. So this is going to be a pain in the butt. No question about it, right? Look at this. All right, taking the low, 01. Gentlemen, so at all times, we need to know who's in control. So that technical short 16 that I told you that it's okay to take, remember, right? Look at it, just down, go down, we're playing. We wanted our 23 as long as the price is below 10. The 16 short is the one in command. We know that 400 is the squeeze of the 03 and then a clean break of 400. Then that short 16 needs to go, they want to go all the way to 93. 2 minutes to the home release at 10. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's the squeeze. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the 16 short is locking right here at the squeeze 400, right? Okay, that's 16 points. That's not too shabby, all right? The 16 short is locking right here, 99, 400, all right? It's locking 16, 17 points. Don't let this action right here take you into the red, okay? Be strong, okay? Remember the rule of 3. Okay, so this is a missed action. Remember what I told you. The worst there is, all right? This is really the worst, all right? So don't take any chance, I'm telling you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, stop break even, let it ride. This is exactly what we were. We had to be strong, right? Look at that, 99, right? That's one tick below the squeeze, right? All right, so stop break even. This thing takes now. You all know our rules. This thing takes this low now, and we know it's going to 93, right? So we took advantage. We took the technical 16 short. That was pretty good. That was a counter. And remember what I tell you, what the smart money does many times. They do a full on retracement, and that's how they really destroy the the beginners. All right, that's how they really destroy them. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, back to hour 10. Guess who's in control right now? We are. We, the bulls, expecting the price to go to 23. Of course, that small position short that we took 16 here when I told you it's okay, technically it's okay to be short this 16. It was pretty good for 18 points, right? Main play has not been invalidated. Smart money is ultra squeeze the weak bears, those the weak bulls, those that didn't know that they were being squeezed only. And this right here is the confirmation that they were, right? So we take advantage of our squeeze long 99, 400, price back to 10, 13, 14, and we are going to 23, ladies and gentlemen, and that's our first target. Are we gonna get to 23 in one straight line, mistake?
Most likely not.
All right, it's looking good, but so we have a razor sharp entry long right here, our squeeze, and we know that 10 was support, became resistance, resistance becomes support. We nicely took it, so 10 was resistance, is now support, but we still have a couple of little resistances. 14, our 16, and of course this high right here, which is when we made from 10 to 18, when we made 8 points on before the open, and that's gonna be another resistance, but we're gonna let it ride to 23. Now we're long here, razor sharp entry, 99, 400, we just made 14, 15 points. I'm not gonna fight you if you want to take right here, right now, plus 14 points, of course. As long as you get back in long support when I tell you to. All right, because our job is to ride it to 23. Of course, we all know that the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. I can change this 23 anytime, any second, any minute, right? But until I do, that's our plan. And remember what I told you, we're going to take advantage of this pullback so that we can have a much better entry long and take 23, 24 points on our first exit, our first official target one. Okay, stop break even. Right, I told you that the low wasn't going to be taken. Stop break even, clean break of the low now, then we all know where it's going, right? Clean break of the low, 99, 93. So razor sharp entry, long 99 again, right? And don't let it go back. So it's a tough day today. It's 11 a.m. Okay, and just phase 7. Everybody, phase 7. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, alrighty. So we gave it another shot. Made 4, 5, 6 points right here. Price comes right back down. We know that a clean break of 400. Price is gonna go to 93. So the main play was finally invalidated, and we believe now that it's gonna continue to 93. Is it gonna go to 93 in one straight line, Mystique?
Most likely not.
All right, now, okay, so we are on phase 7 anyway. So remember, the overall market direction is sideways. So don't you think for 1 second that this is going to be an easy trip to 93. There's a lot of people that are going to try to go long, all right? So, because remember, not only we want to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. So this is what we want to, we want to know, right? Is there anything below 93? Remember, because 93 is target 1 only, right? Now that the market decided to break, then we're expecting 93. And what's going to happen at 93? Well, it's going to be a bounce somewhere around here. And then we believe it's going to continue going down now. So in other words, the longer term direction change, right, to bearish 93. And let's see if we can find us what the price is going to do at 93 and where it's going to go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 95, break of 400, right? That's 5 points. And remember that we didn't have a continuation. We didn't have a continuation at 18. Yeah, sure, right? We made we made 9 points here. We wanted 23, all right? So 18, we didn't make it by 5 points, all right? So let's watch it right here again, all right? Price just went to 95. We won 93, and we are after that 93 now, okay? So repeat, the break of 400, right, gave us only 5 points. We wanted 7. All right, we only got 5. And look at this massive bounce right here. Of course, 400, trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and we still think that that the bears are in control. Okay, time right now, 11:22. We know that official chop begins pretty soon. Never let a winner turn into a loser. We can change hats again anytime. So break of 400, right? Bulls are back in control. What do you think? Okay. So what are we going to expect? This chop right here. Bulls back in control, right? 400, 99, 400. Bulls back in control. And remember what I told you. The overall market direction is sideways. So I'm not expecting a big follow through. All right. Bulls back in control and then sideways. What does that mean? Well, that I'm expecting the price to leap up and down. 93 right here, this 15. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, finally 93, right? Remember the technical short right here, 16, 17. That's 23 points, my friends. All righty? Okay. We had confirmation when we got the break of the 400. Finally, price went to the low of our range. Beautiful resistance right here. Add to a winner to 93, the one that we've been expecting since 11 this morning.